Welcome to all first BSc first sem mathematics students for online video classes. Today I am going to discuss angle of intersection of two curves. Let r is equal to f of theta 1 and r is equal to f of theta 2 be two curves intersecting at the point P. PT1 and PT2 are tangents to the given two curves at the point P. Pi 1 is the angle made by the tangent and the radius vector OP. Pi 2 be the angle made by the tangent PT2 and the radius vector OP. The angle of intersection of two curves is equal to pi 1 minus pi 2, modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2, or sometime we are taking pi 2 minus pi 1, modulus of pi 2 minus pi 1. If pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2, if pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2, then the two given curve cut orthogonally each other. If pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to 0, then the given two curves touch each other. Condition for two curves to cut orthogonally is pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2. That's all. Find the angle of intersection of two curves. First question, r squared sin 2 theta is equal to 4, 16 sin 2 theta is equal to r squared. I am considering first curve given that r squared sin 2 theta is equal to 4. I am taking log on both sides, therefore log r squared sin 2 theta is equal to log 4. This one is of the form log mn. Log mn, we know that log m plus log n. Log r squared sin 2 theta can be written as 2 log r plus log sin 2 theta log 4. Using log mn is equal to log m plus log n. I am using that formula. Differentiate with respect to theta. 2 into log r derivative 1 by r dr by dt, derivative log r 1 by r dr by dt, derivative log sin 2 theta, we know that 1 by sin 2 theta, derivative of sin 2 theta means 2 cos 2 theta, 4 is constant, log 4 is constant, therefore derivative constant is 0. I am using this formula, log f is equal to 1 by f into d by dx of f. 2, this can be written as 1 by r dr by d theta is nothing but cot pi. This one transform LHS to RHS, this becomes minus 2 cot 2 theta. 2 gets cancels, this one pi cot pi 1 represented by cot pi 1 because first curve I am considering. Next, minus cot 2 theta can be written as cot of pi plus 2 theta. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi plus 2 theta. We know that minus cot x is equal to minus cot x can be written as cot of pi plus x, pi minus x. So, here minus cot 2 theta is equal to cot of pi minus 2 theta, because we know that cot x minus cot x is equal to cot of pi minus x. Pi minus x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot is negative. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi minus 2 theta. This equation we call it as 1. Next, I am considering second equation, 16 sin 2 theta is equal to r squared. Given that, I am considering second curve, taking log. Therefore, this can be written as log 16 plus log sin 2 theta is equal to 2 log r. If you take log on both sides, log 16 log 16 sin 2 theta can be written as log 16 plus log sin 2 theta is equal to 2 log r. Differentiate with respect to theta. 16 is constant, therefore derivative log 16 is 0, therefore log sin 2 theta, derivative log sin 2 theta is 1 by sin 2 theta into derivative sin 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta, 2 into log r means 1 by r dr by d theta. Next here 2 gets cancels, therefore cot 2 theta is equal to cot pi 2, equating, therefore pi 2 is equal to 2 theta. We know that angle of intersection formula pi 1 minus pi 2, therefore pi 1 is pi minus 2 theta, here pi 2 means minus 2 theta, therefore pi minus 4 theta. This equation we called as number 2. This one here 3. Here in this particular case, put r square is equal to 16 sin 2 theta in equation 1. In equation 1, this one we called as number 2. Next, if you take r squared is equal to 16 sin 2 theta, therefore 16 sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta is equal to 4. 4 are 1 are, therefore sin square 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4. Sin square 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4, therefore sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Therefore 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 1 by 2. Therefore 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 6. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 12. Theta is equal to pi by 12. Now here pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi minus 4 into theta. Theta we know that pi by 12. Pi by 12. 1s are 3s are. After simplification 3 pi minus pi. Therefore 2 pi by 3. This one is angle between two curves is pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. That's all. Next question, find the angle of intersection of two curves. R is equal to a of 1 plus sin theta, R is equal to a of 1 minus sin theta. I am considering first curve given that tan pi 1 is equal to, we know that formula r dr by d theta. This one is simple problem, that's why I am taking as it is. I am using that formula. R means a of 1 plus sin theta. Differentiate this one. A constant, 1 derivative 0, sin theta derivative cos theta. Therefore, a gets cancels. Tan pi 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. This equation we call as number 1. I am considering second curve. Second curve is 1 minus sin theta. Here also I am using that formula. So r dr by d theta. So a 1 minus sin theta, a into 1 is 0, derivative 1 is 0, sin theta is minus cos theta, therefore minus a sin theta derivative is cos theta. This equation we call as number 2. Multiply 1 into 2. So tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to, we know the tan pi 1, 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta into tan pi 2 tan pi to 1 minus sin theta divided by minus cos theta. Here this one is equal to, we get 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. After simplification, multiply these two, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This one is of the form a squared minus b, a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as a squared minus b squared. If you use that formula, this becomes 1 minus sin square theta minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. We know that 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta divided by minus cos square theta. Gets cancels, we get 1. So tan pi 1, tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, here angle between angle of intersection of two curves is equal to pi by 2. If tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1, then the given two curves cut orthogonally each other. Therefore, angle of intersection is pi by 2. That's then pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2. That's all. Same, find the angle of intersection of two curves. First I am considering first curve, given that taking log on both sides. Therefore, this becomes 2 log a, 2 log r plus log sin 2 theta. Therefore, log a is constant, therefore 0. Differentiate with respect to theta, 0, 2 into log r derivative 1 by r dr by d theta, log sin theta derivative 1 by sin 2 theta into 2 cos 2 theta. Therefore, 2 by r, this becomes here 2 into minus 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. 2 gets cancels. Therefore, cot pi is equal to cot pi 1 is equal to minus cot 2 theta. Therefore, cot pi 1 is equal to cot of pi minus 2 theta. We know that there is a formula cot x minus cot x is equal to cot of pi minus x. X is means here 2 theta. This one is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot is negative. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi minus 2 theta. Next, consider second curve. So, b square r square cos 2 theta. Here I am taking log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, this becomes 2 log b, this one 2 log r log cos 2 theta. I am using these two formulas. Log a power m can be written as m log a, but log mn can be written as log m plus log n. Next, to differentiate with respect to theta, 0, log b is 0, b is constant, therefore derivative log b is 0, 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta, 1 by cos 2 theta into derivative cos 2 theta is minus 2 sin 2 theta. Therefore, 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus 2 tan 2 theta. 2 gets cancels. So, cot pi is equal to, this can be written as minus tan theta can be written as cot of pi minus 2 theta, because minus tan theta is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, here x means 2 theta. Therefore, pi 2 is equal to pi 2 minus 2 theta. Now, here angle of intersection formula, we know that pi 1 minus pi 2. Pi 1 we know that pi minus 2 theta, pi 2 minus 2 theta, 2 theta gets cancels. 180 minus 90 is 90. Therefore, angle of intersection of two curves is pi by 2. 2r is equal to a. I am considering first curve r is equal to a cos theta. This one is simple, so I am considering direct formula. Tan pi 1 is equal to r divided by dr by d theta. R is a cos theta. A into derivative cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. So a gets cancels. Therefore, this becomes minus cot theta. So tan pi 1 is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus theta, because minus cot theta is equal to tan of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant, that is cot is negative pi 1. Next, given that second curve 2r is equal to a, r is equal to a by 2, I am using tan pi 2 or dr by d theta. R is a by 2, this is 0, this one is something by 0 is infinity. Therefore, this implies pi by 2 is equal to 90. Tan pi by 2 infinity, tan pi 2 is infinity means pi 2 is equal to pi by 2. Now here angle of intersection of two curves formula pi 1 minus pi 2. Therefore, this one is pi by 2 plus theta minus pi by 2. So, we get theta. So, here this equation we called as number this one 2. Next, put r is equal to a cos theta into equation 2. Put r is equal to a cos theta into, we get 2a cos theta is equal to a gets cancels. So, cos theta is equal to half, this implies theta is equal to pi by 3. Therefore, pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to theta, theta is nothing but pi by 3. Therefore, angle of intersection of two curves is pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 3. That's all. And the angle of intersection of two curves, r is equal to a of 1 minus cos theta, r is equal to 2a cos theta. So, tan pi 1 r divided by dr by d theta. This one is simple, that is I am using direct formula. So, r means 1 minus cos theta, differentiate a into 0, derivative 1 is 0, cos theta is, derivative cos theta is minus sin theta, minus of minus plus. So, 2a gets cancels. We know that there is a formula 1 minus cos theta, instead of 1 minus cos theta, I am using 2 sin square theta by 2, there is a formula. Instead of sin theta, I am taking 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 gets cancels. Here tan pi 1 is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta by 2, sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 can be written as tan theta by 2. This implies equating, therefore, pi 1 is equal to theta by 2. Next, second, r is equal to 2a cos theta. I am considering second curve. Here I am using direct formula because simple. So, r divided by dr by d theta. So, r is 2a cos theta or 2a constant, derivative cos theta is minus sin theta. So, here minus cot theta, cos theta divided by sin theta can be written as minus cot theta. Not here pi by 2, here minus cot theta, both are different function, that is I am changing tan 90 plus theta, because we know that minus cot theta is equal to tan of 90 plus theta. Tan of 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Therefore, pi by 2 plus theta. We know that angle of intersection formula pi 1 minus pi 2. Pi 1 is theta by 2. Next, this one pi by 2, here pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, here we get pi by 2 minus theta. So, here we get minus pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus 2 theta plus theta minus theta by 2. So, here we get, if we take negative sign common, pi by 2 plus theta by 2. If we take modulus, this becomes pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So, here this one is 1, this equation I am taking 2. Here put r is equal to 2a cos theta in equation 1. Therefore, 2a cos theta, here multiply this one a cos theta in equation 1. 2a cos theta I am taking substitution here. So, a minus a cos theta, simplify this one, we get 3a cos theta, this one transform RHS to LHS, minus a cos theta becomes plus a cos theta. Therefore, 3a cos theta is equal to 3a, a gets cancels. So, cos theta is equal to 1 by 3, therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Therefore, angle of intersection of two cos formula pi 1 minus pi 2, pi 2 plus half, theta is nothing but cos inverse 1 by 3. This is the result. Show that the pair of curves intersect orthogonally. First question, r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta, r is equal to b of 1 minus cos theta. I am considering first curve tan pi 1, we know that formula r dr by d theta, r means a of 1 plus cos theta. Now, differentiate this one, a into 1 derivative 0 because constant cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Therefore, 1 plus cos theta sin theta. This equation we call as number 2. Tan pi 2. Next, r divided by dr by d theta. I am considering second given curve. R means b of 1 minus cos theta, b into 0 cos theta derivative minus sin theta minus of minus plus sin theta. So, bb gets cancels, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. This equation we call as number 4. So, multiply 3 into 4. So, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. So, minus of 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta, 1 minus cos theta into sin theta. This one is of the form a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as a squared minus b squared. Therefore, 1 into 1 1 cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. This next multiply this one sin square theta. So, here 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta divided by sin square theta. These two terms gets cancels, we get 1. Therefore, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the given two curves cut each other orthogonally. That is all. B. R is equal to a secant square theta by 2, r is equal to b cosecant square theta by 2. I am considering first taking log. I am considering first curve. Therefore, log r log a 2 log secant of theta by 2. If you take log on both sides log r, this one is of the form mn. Log mn can be written as log m plus log n. So, log a log secant square theta by 2 can be written as 2 log secant of theta by 2. Now, differentiate with respect to theta 1 by r dr by d theta 0, a constant, therefore, log a is 0, 2 into log secant of theta by 2 can be written as 1 by secant of theta by 2. Next to secant theta by 2 derivative secant theta by 2 tan theta by 2. Next differentiate inside function. So, half into theta derivative 1 log secant of theta by 2 derivative. We know that log f means 1 by f into d by ds of f. So, log secant of theta by 2 can be written as 1 by secant of theta by 2. Next differentiate this one secant theta by 2 derivative secant theta by 2 tan theta by 2. Next differentiate inside function half into theta derivative 1. Here 2 gets cancelled secant theta by 2. Therefore, this one is cot pi 1. This one represented by cot pi 1 because I am considering first cot. Next, this one is remaining term tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 can be written as cot of 90 minus theta by 2. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi 2 minus theta by 2 because tan x is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus x. Here x means theta by 2. Next, I am considering second curve r is equal to b cosecant squared of theta by 2 taking log on both sides. Therefore, log r, this one is log b plus 2 log cosecant of theta by 2. Next, differentiate with respect to theta 1 by r dr by d theta, b is constant, log b derivative 0 plus 2 derivative log of cosecant of theta by 2 1 by cosecant of theta by 2. Next, differentiate cosecant theta by 2 derivative cosecant theta by 2 cosecant theta by 2 cot theta by 2 because we know that derivative cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x into inside function derivative half into theta derivative 1. 2 gets cancels. So, here this one is cot pi 2 is equal to minus cot theta by 2 minus cot theta by 2. Next, cot pi by 2 can be written as cot of pi minus theta by 2 because minus cot theta cot x can be written as cot of pi minus x. Therefore, pi 2 is equal to pi minus theta by 2. Now, here angle of intersection of 2 cos pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi 1 is pi by 2 minus theta by 2 pi minus theta by 2. So, theta by 2 gets cancels. This one is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, the given two curves cut orthogonally. One point. Otherwise, we can apply other method also. So, here this is one. I am using formula pi 1 minus pi 2, we get pi by 2. Therefore, the given two curve cut orthogonally each other. Otherwise, other alternative method is if you take like this cot pi 1 is equal to tan theta 2. Next, here write down as it is. This one here cot pi 1 into cot pi by 2. This one is alternative method. Here tan theta by 2 into minus cot theta by 2. These two terms gets cancels, we get minus 1. Cot pi 1 into cot pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Here also we say that the given two curve cut orthogonally each other, both are same. Tan pi 1 into tan pi by 2 is tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Otherwise, cot pi 1 into cot pi by 2 pi 2 is also here, both product cot pi 1 into cot pi 2 is equal to minus 1. We say that the given two curve cut orthogonally each other. This one is alternative method. That's it. R power n is equal to a power n cosine theta, r power n is equal to p power n sin theta. I am considering first curve taking log on both sides. Therefore, n log r, n log a, log cos n theta. Differentiate this one, n into 1 by r 0. So, 1 by cos n theta, 1 by r dr by d theta 0 minus n sin n theta. Log cos n theta derivative 1 by cos n theta into derivative cos n theta is minus n sin n theta. Therefore, n cot pi 1 is equal to minus n sin by cos tan n theta. N gets cancels. So, cot pi 1 is equal to tan n theta. This one is 1, this one is 2, this equation we call as number 3. Here I am considering second curve r power n, b power n sin n theta. Here also taking log on both sides. Therefore, n log r, n log b plus log sin n theta. This one differentiate with respect to theta. N into log r means 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0, 1 by sin n theta into n cos n theta. Log sin n theta derivative 1 by sin n theta into sin n theta derivative n cos n theta. Therefore, n gets cancels. This one represented by cot pi 2, this one is cot n theta. So, here cot pi 1 into cot pi 2 is equal to minus tan n theta into cot n theta. These two terms gets cancels, we get minus 1. Therefore, the given two curve intersect orthogonally. R is equal to a divided by 1 plus cos theta, r is equal to b divided by 1 minus cos theta. This one is represented by first curve, this one, second curve 2. Taking log. Therefore, log r is equal to log a log 1 plus cos theta. If we take log a divided by 1 plus cos theta can be written as log a minus log 1 plus cos theta. We know that log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. I am using that formula. So, differentiate with respect to theta 1 by r dr by d theta 0, 1 by 1 plus cos theta into 0, 1 derivative 0, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Derivative log of 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta, differentiate inside function 0, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. I am using that formula. Log f, derivative log f is 1 by f into d by ds of f. Next, this one represented by cot pi 1. So, sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, minus into minus plus, this equation we call as number 3. I am considering b divided by 1 minus cos theta. Again here given that taking log. So, if you take log r is equal to log b divided by 1 minus cos theta can be written as log b minus log 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate this one, differentiate with respect to theta 1 by r dr by d theta 0 1 by 1 minus cos theta into 0. So, cos theta derivative minus sin theta, minus of minus plus sin theta. Therefore, this one represented by cot pi 2. 1 by r dr by theta is equal to cot pi 2. Therefore, minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Next, cot pi 1 into cot pi 2. Therefore, sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Simplify this one, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Next 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. This can be written as, after simplification, 1 minus cos square theta. So, sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Therefore, these two terms get cancelled. We get cot pi 1 into cot pi 2 is equal to minus means the given two curves intersect orthogonally each other. 2a divided by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta, 2b divided by r 1 minus cos theta. Next question. Taking log, I am considering first curve. This one represented by first one, second one. Now taking log, therefore this can be written as log 2a minus log r. If we take log 2a by r can be written as log 2a minus log r. Using log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. Next, log of 1 plus cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta 0, 1 by r dr by d theta, log of 1 plus cos theta derivative 1 by 1 plus cos theta, 0 cos theta derivative minus sin theta, negative get cancelled. 1 by r dr by d theta represented by cot pi 1. So, sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This equation we call as number 2. I am considering second curve 2b divided by r 1 minus cos theta. Taking log, therefore log 2b by r is equal to log 1 minus cos theta. This can be written as log 2b minus log r is equal to, now differentiate this one, 0 1 by r dr by d theta. This one differentiate log of 1 plus cos theta derivative 1 by 1 minus cos theta into sin theta, 0 cos theta derivative minus sin theta, minus of minus plus. Therefore, this can be written as cot pi 2, this one transfer from LHS to RHS, minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. This equation we call as number 4. Here cot pi 1 into cot pi 2, multiply 3 into 4. So, here we get sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Here minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Therefore, minus sin square theta 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So, minus sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta can be written as sin square theta, cancels, we get minus 1. Cot pi 1 into cot pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the given two curve intersect orthogonally. Next question, r is equal to a of sin theta minus cos theta, r is equal to a of sin theta plus cos theta. This equation we called as number 1, this one is 2. Tan pi 1, okay. We know that formula, r divided by dr by d theta. R is a of sin theta minus cos theta. A differentiate sin theta derivative cos theta derivative minus sin theta, minus of minus plus sin theta. So, these two terms gets cancels, sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. This equation we call as number 3. Tan pi 2, r divided by dr by, I am differentiating second curve, or sin theta plus cos theta, a of, or differentiate sin theta derivative cos theta derivative minus sin theta. These two terms gets cancels, sin theta plus cos theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta, this can be written as minus sin theta plus cos theta. If you take minus sign common, so minus of sin theta minus cos theta. Therefore, instead of cos theta minus sin theta, I am taking minus of sin theta minus cos theta. This equation we call as number 4. So, 3 into 4, so tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. Therefore, sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Next, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So, these two terms cancels. So, here we get minus 1. So, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Then the given two curve cut orthogonally each other. Next, length of perpendicular from the pole to the tangent. Prove that P is equal to r sin pi. This one represents length of perpendicular from the pole to the tangent. Let P be any point. Let P be any point on the curve r is equal to f of theta. Let ON is equal to P. ON is equal to P be the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent Pn. From triangle OPN we have sin pi is equal to, defining sin pi because formula P is equal to r sin pi, that is I am defining sin pi. We know that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, there is a formula. So, sin pi is equal to opposite side is P, hypotenuse is r, therefore P by r, therefore P is equal to r sin pi. This is a proof, P is equal to r sin pi. Let P be any point on the curve, r is equal to f of theta, ON is equal to P be the perpendicular distance from the pole to the tangent line Pn. Define sin pi opposite side by hypotenuse, therefore P is equal to r sin pi. Prove that 1 by P squared is equal to 1 by r square 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. This one is other formula. I am considering previous formula, P is equal to r sin pi. If we take reciprocal, 1 by P, 1 by r, 1 by sin pi, squaring on both sides. Therefore, 1 by P square is equal to 1 by r square, 1 by sin square pi. Next 1 by p square 1 by r square 1 by sin square pi can be written as cosecant square pi, because sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal to each other. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant pi. Therefore, 1 by sin square pi is equal to cosecant square pi. Instead of 1 by sin square pi, I am taking cosecant square pi. We know that there is a formula 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. I am using that formula 1 by r square. Instead of cosecant square pi, I am taking 1 plus cot square pi. 1 plus cot square pi. 1 by r square 1 plus, we know that formula cot pi is equal to 1 by r dr by d theta. Therefore, cosecant square pi can be written as 1 by r square dr by d theta whole square. Therefore, this one multiply this one 1 by r square 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. The pedal equation means a relation between p and r. A relation between p and r is called pedal equation. This pedal equation is also known as PR equation. Pedal equation is also known as PR equation. Pedal equation means a relation between p and r is called pedal equation, where p is a perpendicular distance from the pole to the tangent, or r is a radius vector. OP is equal to r represent radius vector. Find the length of perpendicular from the pole to the tangent for curve. First question, r is equal to a e power theta cot alpha. We know that tan pi is equal to r divided by dr by d theta. I am considering this formula. So, r means a e power theta cot alpha. A is constant. Differentiate this one. We know that e to the power of f derivative e power f into d by ds of f. Using this formula, e power theta cot pi, if we differentiate, we get as it is. Next, differentiate power function. So, cot alpha into theta derivative 1. Therefore, these two terms get cancels. So, tan pi is equal to 1 by cot alpha can be written as tan alpha. Therefore, pi is equal to alpha. We know that length of perpendicular from the pole to the tangent formula, we know that r sin pi, p is equal to r, pi is nothing but alpha, p is equal to r sin alpha. This is the length of perpendicular from the pole to the tangent is p is equal to r sin alpha. That's it. So, a of 1 plus cos theta. Here also I am considering tan pi. This one is simple. So, I am using direct formula as it. R means a of 1 plus cos theta. Differentiate dr by theta means this one r with respect to theta 0, 1 derivative 0, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. A gets cancels. So, 1 plus cos theta, we know that there is a formula 2 cos square theta by 2. I am using this formula. Instead of sin theta, I am taking 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 gets cancels. So, cos by sin tan pi is equal to minus cot theta by 2. So, tan pi is equal to, this can be written as minus cot x is equal to tan of 90 plus x. We know that there is a formula minus cot x is equal to tan of 90 plus x. Therefore, this can be written as tan of 90 plus theta by 2. Therefore, equating, therefore, pi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Next, we know that formula P is equal to R sin pi. Therefore, P is equal to R sin pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Therefore, R, this one is of the form 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. Therefore, this becomes cos of theta by 2, because we know that sin of 90 plus x is equal to cos x. Here x means theta by 2. Therefore, P is equal to R cos theta by 2. That's all. R is equal to E of 1 minus cos theta. Here also I am using formula tan pi. We know that R dr by d theta, E of 1 minus cos theta, A into 0 cos theta derivative minus sin theta, minus of minus plus. So, 2 sin square theta by 2. We know that there is a formula 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Instead of 1 minus cos theta, I am using this one. Instead of sin theta, I am using 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. There is a formula 2 gets cancels. So, sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 can be written as tan theta by 2, equating tan pi is equal to tan theta by 2 means pi is equal to tan theta by 2, equating both sides, otherwise take out tan. So, here we know that P is equal to R sin pi, P is equal to R sin theta by 2. R is nothing but A of 1 minus cos theta into sin theta. Therefore, P into 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. Therefore, P is equal to 2a sin cubed of theta by 2. 2a sin cubed of theta by 2. Next, r squared is equal to a squared secant to theta. Here, taking log on both sides. Therefore, log r square can be written as 2 log r, 2 log a, log secant to theta. Differentiate 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta 0, because a is constant, log a constant 0. Therefore, this can be written as 1 by secant to theta, log secant to theta derivative 1 by secant to theta into secant to theta derivative 2 secant to theta tan theta, because we know that secant theta derivative secant theta is secant theta tan theta. So, 2 to distance. Therefore, cot pi is equal to tan to theta. Therefore, cot pi is equal to cot 90 minus 2 theta, because we know that tan x is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus x. Here x means 2 theta, equating, otherwise take out cot, equating pi is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta, equating. Next, here we know that P is equal to R sin pi, or sin pi means sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta, or means r squared is equal to a squared secant 2 theta. Therefore, r is equal to a. Therefore, this can be written as r is equal to a divided by this secant theta is equal to, we know that 1 by cos 2 1 by cos theta. Therefore, secant 2 theta can be written as A divided by root cos 2 theta. A divided by root cos 2 theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos 2 theta. We know that sin of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Here x is equal to 2 theta. Therefore, A divided by cos 2 theta. Here cos 2 theta can be written as root cos theta whole square, because we know that A is equal to root A whole square. Therefore, cos 2 theta can be written as root cos 2 theta whole square. So, this two term gets cancels, A with cos 2 theta. That is all. First question, find the pedal equation of the given curves. First one, r power m, a power m, cos m theta. Pedal equation means we know that a relation between p and r is called pedal equation. Pedal equation is also known as p dash r equation. We have to express in terms of r and p. So, taking log. So, this can be written as log r power m log a power m cos m theta. Simplify this one, m log r, m log a log cos m theta. I am using log a power k means k log a, other formula log m n can be written as log m plus log n. Next, differentiate. Differentiate with respect to theta, m into 1 by r dr by d theta. A is constant, therefore, derivative log a is 0, m into 0, 0. Log m, log cos m theta derivative 1 by cos m theta into minus m sin m theta. So, here m gets cancels, 1 by r dr by d theta is nothing but cot pi is equal to minus tan m theta. So, cot pi is equal to tan of 90 plus m theta, because we know that minus tan x is equal to cot of 90 plus x. 90 plus x lies in second quadrant here. Cot is negative. Therefore, cot of 90 minus x is equal to minus tan x. Here x means m theta. Therefore, pi is equal to equating. So, pi is equal to 90 plus m theta. Take out tan, cot on both sides, otherwise equating pi is equal to pi by 2 plus m theta. We know that pedal equation. So, length of perpendicular from the pole to the tangent formula, p is equal to r sin pi, p is equal to r sin 90 plus m theta, or sin 90 plus theta is nothing but cos theta. Therefore, cos m theta, because sin of 90 plus x lies in second quadrant sin is positive, this one is equal to cos x. Therefore, x means here m theta. P is equal to r. Here given that a power m cos m theta is equal to r power m. Therefore, cos m theta is equal to r power m divided by a power m. Instead of cos m theta, I am taking r power m divided by a power m. R power m divided by a power m. Therefore, pedal equation is a power m into p is equal to r power m plus 1. A cross multiply this one, a power into p is equal to r power m plus 1. This is the pedal equation plus cos theta. So, tan pi is equal to r divided by dr by d theta. This one is simple problem, so I am using that formula. So r means a of 1 plus cos theta, a into 0, 1 is constant, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. These two terms get cancels. 2 cos square, instead of 1 plus cos theta I am using formula 2 cos square theta by 2. Here minus sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So cos by sin, cot theta by 2. Therefore tan pi is equal to minus cot theta by 2 can be written as tan pi by 2 plus theta by 2, because minus cot x is equal to tan of 90 plus x. 90 plus x lies in second quadrant tan is negative. So instead of minus cot theta by 2 I am using tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2 using this formula, equating pi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. We know that formula p is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So p is equal to r sin of 90 plus theta by 2 is nothing but cos theta by 2, because we know that sin of 90 plus x is equal to cos x. This one 90 plus x lies in second quadrant, here sin is positive, therefore here x means theta by 2. Next, here given curve is a of 1 plus cos theta is equal to r. Therefore 1 plus cos theta is equal to r by a. 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2 divided by r by a. Therefore cos square theta by 2 is equal to r by 2a. This implies cos theta by 2 is equal to root r by root 2a. Therefore p is equal to r into root r divided by root 2a. Therefore root 2ap is equal to r power 3 by 2. This is the Padel equation. Otherwise, squaring on both sides, simplify, we get required set.